today's our topic is prepositions. So we are going to work on the prepositions. In grammar topic, we are going to work on prepositions. So I just want you to, if you have any doubts about grammar, the last grammar topics, you can ask me. If you have any problems about the last grammar topics,
Sir,
ask me.
Sir Aman.
Yes, Aman.
Sir, I have problem in perfect tense and perfect continuous tense, sir.
Perfect tense and perfect continuous tense, right?
Yes, sir.
So perfect tense, it means it is a complete action. Perfect tense talks about the complete action of the subject. Like मुझे गोल्ड मेडल मिल चुका है, मतलब मिलने के बाद ही हम बोलते हैं कि मुझे गोल्ड मेडल मिल चुका है, या मिलने से पहले ही बोलते हैं? मिलने के बाद ही बोलते हैं।
सर,
मतलब
मिलने के बाद
मिलने की जो एक्शन है वो कंप्लीट हो गई है, उसके लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। लाइक आई हैव रिसीव्ड अ गोल्ड मेडल, आई हैव रिसीव्ड अ गोल्ड मेडल। मैं ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुका हूं। कब बोलते हैं? पूरा कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही बोलते हैं। तो उसको आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय ग्रेजुएशन, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय ग्रेजुएशन। ऐसे ही मैं आपको यही बताना चाहता हूं कि परफेक्ट टेंस हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब वो क्रिया पूरी हो चुकी है, ऐसा बताना है, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं। लेकिन परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस कब यूज करते हैं? परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब लॉन्गर टाइम क्रिया बहुत बहुत दिनों से चलती आ रही है, मतलब उसका स्टार्टिंग पास्ट में हो गया और प्रेजेंट में भी चल रहा है। जैसे मैं 10 साल से पुणे में रह रहा हूं, तो हम ऐसा कब बोल सकते हैं? 10 साल पहले रहना चालू हुआ, मतलब रहना पास्ट में चालू हुआ और प्रेजेंट में भी चल रहा है, तब हम क्या यूज करेंगे? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। आई हैव बीन लिविंग इन पुणे। ऑलराइट, समझ में आया सभी के?
सर मुझे भी एक डाउट था।
हाँ बताइए।
सर एक सेंटेन्स मतलब कोणत्या काळातलं आहे ते सेंटेन्स, कोणत्या काळातलं हे ओळखता येत नाही सर मला।
ओळखता येण्यासाठी मी तुम्हाला सर्वांना इंडिकेटर्स दिलेले आहेत. ओके, रिपीट आफ्टर मी. रौनक, रिपीट आफ्टर मी. डू यू, डिड यू, विल यू.
Did you, will you?
डू आलं तर सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स, डज आलं की सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स, डिड आलं की सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स, विल आलं की सिंपल फ्युचर टेन्स, आर यू, वर यू, विल यू बी, एमआरईज आलं की प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, वॉज वेअर आलं की पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, विल बी आलं की फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, हॅव हॅज आलं की परफेक्ट टेन्स, प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्स, हॅड आलं की पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स, हॅव हॅड आलं, विल हॅव आलं की फ्युचर परफेक्ट टेन्स, have been, has been आलं की प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, had been आलं की पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, will have been आलं की फ्युचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. हे इंडिकेटर्स आहेत प्रत्येक टेन्सचे.
ओके सर.
आले की आपल्याला काय वापरायचं की these are the indicators of all the tenses. So these indicates the certain, they have attached with the certain tenses. All right, just repeat after me, Ronak. Do you, did you, will you, first form.
Do you, did you, will you, first form.
Are you, were you, will you be ing.
Are you, were you, will you be ing.
Have you, had you, will you have third form.
Have you, had you, will you have third form.
Have you been, had you been, will you have been ing.
Have you been, had you been, will you have been ing.
Okay, Yuraji, repeat after me. Do you, did you, will you, first form.
Do you, did you, first form.
Will you, first form.
Will you, first form.
First form म्हणजे काय? राईट. मग त्याला राईट जोडायचं. डू यू राईट, डिड यू राईट, विल यू राईट.
Will you write.
ओके. आर यू, वर यू, विल यू बी ing. बोला.
Are you, were you be ing.
आर यू, वर यू,
Are you, were you,
विल यू बी ing.
will you be ing.
विल यू बी ing म्हणजे काय? ह्या सर्वांना ing लावायचं.
ing
आर यू
लावायचं.
रायटिंग, वर यू रायटिंग आणि विल यू बी रायटिंग. समजलं?
Writing. Okay.
आता परफेक्ट टेन्स. हॅव यू, हॅड यू, विल यू हॅव थर्ड फॉर्म.
परत सांगा.
हॅव यू,
Have you?
Had you?
Had you?
Will you have third form?
Will you have a third form?
ओके, म्हणजे ह्याला सगळ्यांना थर्ड फॉर्म राहायचं. राईट, रोट, रिटर्न म्हणजे रिटर्न लावायचं.
Written लावायचं.
हॅव यू रिटर्न? बोला.
Have you written?
हॅड यू रिटर्न?
Had you written?
विल यू हॅव रिटर्न?
Will you have written?
कळलं? आता परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस मध्ये बिन आणि आयएनजी. हॅव
Been
यू बिन? बोला.
Have you been?
हॅड यू बिन?
Had you been?
विल यू हॅव बिन?
Will you have been?
आयएनजी.
ing.
ह्याला आयएनजी लावायचं. हॅव यू बिन रायटिंग?
Had you been writing?
हॅड यू बिन रायटिंग?
Had you been writing?
विल यू हॅव बिन रायटिंग?
Will you have been writing?
गॉट इट?
Yes.
आणि आता पहिल्यापासून डू यू, डिड यू, विल यू फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
Do you?
डू
Did
यू,
you?
डिड यू, विल यू फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
Do you? Did you? Will be first form.
Will you?
Will you? Will you? First form.
First. Do you go to college? Did you go to college? Will you go to college?
Did you college? Did
Do
you?
you go to college? Did you go to college? Will you go to college?
Do you go to college? Did you go to college? Will you go to college?
समजलं? आता ING येणार. Are you, were you, will you be ING.
Are you? Were you? Will you be ing?
Are you going to college? Were you going to college? Will you be going to college?
Are you going to college? Were you going to college? And will you be going to college?
कळलं? आता have you, had you, will you have. बोला.
Had you? Will have?
Have you, had you, will you have.
Had you? Will have?
Have you, had you, will you have. बोला, शांतपणे बोला, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
Have you? Had you? Will you have?
Verb third form.
Were third form.
Have you gone to college?
Have you gone to college?
Had you gone to college?
Had you gone to college?
Will you have gone to college?
Will you have gone to college?
Okay. Have you been, had you been, will you have been ING.
Had you?
Have you been, बोला.
Have you been?
Had you been,
You been? And
will you have been
will you have been
ING.
ing?
Have you been going to college?
Have you been going to college?
Had
Had
you
you
been going to college?
Had you been going to college?
Will you have been going to college?
Will you have been going to college?
Okay, in this way now we will talk about these all tenses again every day, so it will be easy for everybody. All right, just repeat after me, everybody.
Okay,
Do
sir.
you speak English? Repeat after me, everybody. Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Did you speak English?
Did you speak English?
Will you speak English?
Will you speak English?
Are you speaking English?
Are you-
Were you speaking English? Will you be speaking English? Have you spoken English? Try to speak faster. Had you spoken English? Will you have spoken English? Have you been speaking English? Had you been speaking English? Will you have been speaking English? Do you teach Marathi? Did you teach Marathi? Will you teach Marathi? Are you teaching Marathi? Were you teaching Marathi? Will you be teaching Marathi? Have you taught Marathi? Had you taught Marathi? Will you have taught Marathi? Have you been teaching Marathi? Had you been teaching Marathi? Will you have been teaching Marathi? Okay, can anybody ask me the questions in all tenses? Okay, Vinayak Parikar, ask me the questions. Do you go to college? I'll start.
Yes, sir. Do you go to college?
Correct. Next.
Did you go to college?
Correct.
Will you go to college?
Correct.
Are you going to college?
Correct.
Were you going to college?
Correct.
Will you be going to college?
Correct.
Have you
Gone.
gone
Gone.
gone college?
Correct.
had you gone college?
Gone to college. Huh? Correct.
Gone to college. Will you have gone to college?
Correct.
Have you been going to college?
Correct.
Had you been going to college?
Correct.
Will you have been going to college?
Very good. Very good. Next, who is going to tell me? Ronak.
Sir, Ronak.
Do you sing a song? Start.
Do you sing a song?
Correct.
Did you sing a song? Will you sing a song? Are you singing a song? Were you singing a song? Will you be singing a song? Have you sang a song?
Sung. Have you
Have-
sung a song?
Have you sung a song? Had you sung a song? Will you have sung a song?
Have you been?
Have you been singing a song? Had you been singing a song? Will you have been singing a song?
Very good. Good job. Good job. Next. Anuradha ji. Aradhna ji.
Yes, sir.
Do you teach Marathi?
Okay. Do you teach Marathi?
Your sound is low. Very low. Just come closer to mobile or turn
Yes, sir. पता नहीं क्यों आज
turn up the mobile. Turn up the sound.
अभी आ रही सर, आज वॉइस
No.
कम आ रही है।
हाँ, बहुत कम आ रही है जी.
बच्चों ने कुछ किया है मोबाइल में शायद.
Okay, fine, no problem. हाँ.
ओके, क्या बोला सर?
Just come closer to mobile. हाँ. Do you teach Marathi?
Okay. Do you teach Marathi? Did you teach Marathi? Will you be teach Marathi? Are you teaching Marathi? Are you teaching Marathi?
Were you
teaching Marathi?
Will you be?
Will you be teaching Marathi?
Have you
Have you taught
Marathi?
Have you taught Marathi? Had you taught Marathi? Will you have taught Marathi?
Correct. Have you been?
Have you been teaching Marathi? Had you been teaching Marathi? Will you
have been?
Will you have been teaching Marathi?
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Aman.
Sir.
Aman.
Yes, sir. Sir, what?
Do you fight on the road?
Do you fight on the road? Did you fight on the road?
Will you fight on the road?
Sir, कट गया था क्या कॉल?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Will you fight on the road? Sir, आवाज आ रही है ना?
आ रही है जी.
Are you fighting on the road? Were you fighting on the road? Will you be fighting on the road?
Have you fought?
Yes, sir. Have you fought on the road? Had you fought on the road? Will you have fought on the road?
Have you been?
Have you been fighting on the road? Had you been fighting on the road? Will you have been fighting on the road?
Okay, very good. Rohit, do you bring the vegetables?
Do you bring the vegetable? Did you bring the vegetable? Will you bring the vegetable? Are you bringing the vegetable? Were you bringing the vegetable? Will you bringing the vegetable? Have you brought the vegetable? Had you brought the vegetable? Will you have brought the vegetable? Have you been bringing the vegetable? Had you been bringing the vegetable? Will you have been bringing the vegetable?
Very good. Good job. Swati, do you sleep late?
Do you sleep late? Did you sleep late? Will you sleep late? Are you sleeping late? Were you sleeping late? Will you be sleeping late? Have you
Slept
late? Had you slept late? Will you have slept late? Have you been sleeping late? Had you been sleeping late? Will you have been sleeping late?
Very good. Nachiket, do you Do you take a new car?
Do you take a new car?
Bri-
Did you take a new car? Will you take a new car? And
Are you taking?
as you
Are you?
are you taking a new car?
Were you?
Are you taking a new car? Were you taking a new car? Will you be taking a new car? Have you taken a new car? Had you taken a new car? Will you have taken a new car? Have you been taking a new car? Had you been taking a new car? Will you have been taking a new car?
Very good. Yeah. Avedna, do you keep the promise?
Do you keep the promise? Did you keep the promise? Will you keep the promise? Are you keeping the promise? Were you keeping the promise? Will you be keeping the promise? Have you
Kept.
have you kept the promise? Had you kept the promise? Will you have kept the promise? Have you been keeping the promise? Had you been keeping the promise? Will you have been keeping the promise?
Very good. Yuvrajji, do you play cricket? Unmute yourself.
Do you play the cricket? Did you play cricket? Will you play cricket? Nantar, are you playing cricket? Were you playing cricket? Will you playing cricket?
Will you
Nantar,
be?
Played cricket.
Will you be playing cricket?
Playing cricket. Had you playing cricket?
Have you played?
Have you played cricket? Na?
Correct. Barobar.
Had you played cricket? Will you played cricket?
Will you have?
Will you have cricket?
Will you have played cricket? बोला शांतपणे बोलो.
You have played cricket.
Correct.
There have been playing cricket.
Have you been? बोला.
Have you been playing cricket? Nantar had you been playing cricket?
Correct.
Will you have been playing cricket?
Correct. बरोबर. अनेकदा सेम बोला म्हणजे तुम्हाला कॉन्फिडन्स येईल. अनेकदा सेम बोला. डू यू प्ले क्रिकेट बोला.
Do you play cricket? Did you play cricket? Will you play cricket?
Correct.
Are you playing cricket? Were you playing cricket? Will you playing cricket?
Will you की will you be? मला सांगा.
Will you be?
Correct.
Will you be playing cricket? Nantar, have you played cricket?
Correct.
Had you played cricket? Nantar, will you have played cricket? Nantar, have been played cricket?
Have you been?
Have you been?
काही करू नका. शांतपणे बोला.
Have you been played cricket?
Playing है ना.
Have playing. Nantar, had you been playing cricket? Nantar, will you have been playing cricket?
Okay, Ganesh ji बोला. Do you open the door?
हे माझे झाले का सर याचे लेक्चर्स?
आता काय चाललंय मग? तेच चाललंय ना.
आता हे चालले का?
हो, आता मी 15 मिनिटं काय शिकवलं? हेच शिकवलं ना की डू डीड बरोबर विल बरोबर फर्स्ट फॉर्म वापरायचं, आर वर यू बरोबर आयएनजी वापरायचं, हेच शिकवलं. युवराजजींना तर जमतंय आता.
हा सर. काय सर मला सांगा काय म्हणायचे?
तुम्ही ऑफ करू नका, व्हिडिओ टर्न ऑन करा. मला कसं कळेल तुम्ही शिकताय नाही शिकत? आणि जरा उजेडात राहा, जरा मला कळेल ना तुम्ही कुठे आहेत. ओके, बोला. मला नंतर अनेकदा बोला, शांतपणे बोला. डू यू, डिड यू, विल यू फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
डू यू, डिड यू, विल यू फर्स्ट फॉर्म.
कळलं? म्हणजे यांच्याबरोबर फर्स्ट फॉर्म वापरायचं. जसं राईट, डू यू राईट, डिड यू राईट, विल यू राईट. ओके. आर यू, वर यू, विल यू बी आयएनजी.
आर यू, विल यू, वर यू बी.
आर यू, वर यू, विल यू बी आयएनजी.
आर यू, वर यू, विल यू बी आयएनजी.
त्यांच्या सर्वांच्या बरोबर आयएनजी वापरायचं. आर यू रायटिंग, वर यू रायटिंग, विल यू बी रायटिंग. बोला.
आर यू रायटिंग, वर यू बी रायटिंग.
वर यू रायटिंग,
वर यू रायटिंग,
विल यू बी रायटिंग.
विल यू बी रायटिंग.
कळलं? आता हॅव यू, हॅड यू, विल यू हॅव थर्ड फॉर्म. बोला.
हॅव यू,
had you,
had you,
had you, will
you have
will you have
third form.
थर्ड फ्रॉम.
या सर्वांच्या बरोबर थर्ड फॉर्म वापरायचं. हॅव
Third
यू
form.
रिटर्न,
Have you returned?
हॅड यू रिटर्न,
Had you returned?
विल यू हॅव रिटर्न.
Will you have returned?
समजलं. आता
Okay,
हॅव
sir.
यू बीन बोला. हॅव यू बीन,
Have you been?
हॅड यू बीन,
Had you been?
विल यू हॅव बीन ING.
Will you have been ing?
या सर्वांच्या बरोबर ING वापरायचं. हॅव यू बीन रायटिंग,
Have you been writing?
हॅड यू बीन रायटिंग,
Had you been writing?
विल यू हॅव बीन रायटिंग.
Okay, sir. Will you have been writing?
ओके. आता अनेकदा उद्या अजून थोडस प्रॅक्टिस करून घेणार आहे आपण. डोंट वरी. राईट. एव्हरी
आता
डे वी
समज-
विल प्रॅक्टिस अ बिट. ओके.
सर ऐका ना, एखादी एक्झाम द्या ना आता. एक्झाम्पल सांगा ना.
बोला. आता हे सगळे एक्झाम्पल्सच झाले.
नाही
अनेकदा बोला. डू यू टेक अ मोबाईल.
असं नाही सर, मी असं नाही म्हणत सर. म्हणजे मला असं सांगायला लावा सर एखादी एक्झाम नाही का.
हा तुम्ही सांगा. हा डू यू ओपन द डोअर सांगा.
डू यू ओपन द डोअर? डिड यू ओपन द डोअर? विल यू ओपन द डोअर?
फारच
Are you-
छान.
आर यू ओपन द
आर यू, वर यू, विल यू बी ING वापरायचं.
ING ना. हा म्हणजे डोअरचं काय होणार?
ओपनचा ओपनिंग होणार. आर यू ओपनिंग.
आर यू ओपनिंग? हा. आर यू ओपनिंग डोअर? विल यू ओपनिंग
वर यू,
डोअर?
वर यू,
हा. वर यू ओपनिंग डोअर? विल यू ओपनिंग
विल
डोअर?
यू बी. बोला.
Will you be opening
ओपनिंग
door?
द डोअर.
Opening the door?
ओके. आता हॅव
आणि-
यू, हॅड यू, विल यू हॅव थर्ड फॉर्म ओपन येणार. हॅव यू
Open it.
ओपन द डोअर.
Open the door का?
हॅव यू ओपनड.
Opened. हा ठीक आहे. Had you opened the door? Will you have opened the door? Have
Okay,
you
आता-
been opened the door?
बोला. एक मिनिट. हॅव यू बीन बोला. माझ्यानंतर समजून घ्या. हॅव यू बीन,
Have you been?
हॅड यू बीन,
Had you been?
विल यू हॅव बीन ING. यांच्याबरोबर ING येणार.
Will you have been ing?
हॅव यू बीन, हॅड यू बीन, विल यू हॅव बीन. ING लावा. ओपनिंग द डोअर.
Okay, sir. Have you been opening the door? Have you been opening the door? Will you have opening the door?
विल यू हॅव बीन बोला.
Will you have been opening the door?
आता पहिल्यापासून बोला. डू यू ओपन द डोअर? डिड यू ओपन द डोअर? विल यू ओपन द डोअर? आर यू ओपनिंग? वर यू ओपनिंग? विल यू बी ओपनिंग? हॅव यू ओपनड? हॅड यू ओपनड? विल यू हॅव ओपनड? हॅव यू बीन ओपनिंग? हॅड यू बीन ओपनिंग? विल यू हॅव बीन ओपनिंग? बोला.
Okay, sir. Do you open the door? Did you open the door? Will you open the door? Are you opening the door? Were you opening the door? Will you been opening the door? Had you been opened the door? Will have you been have you opened the door? Had you opened the door? Will you have opened the door? Have you been opened the door?
Opening.
Had you been
हॅव
opened?
यू बीन ओपनिंग
opening-
येणार. शेवटी ING येणार. परफेक्ट कंटिन्युअस बरोबर.
हा. Had you been opening the door? Have you been opening the door? Will you have been opening the door?
हा आता कळालं. आता अनेकदा सांगा म्हणजे कॉन्फिडन्स येऊन जाईल तुम्हाला. पहिल्यापासून सांगा.
त्याचं
अनेकदा
थोडं
repeat करा. सेम
लिहायला थोडं
एक वर्ब आला की
प्रॉब्लेम.
सगळे वर्ब येतात. लक्षात ठेवा. एक वर्ब आला की सगळे वर्ब येतात. हा बोला. डू यू ओपन द डोअर?
Do you open the door? Did you open the door? Will you open the door? Are you opening the door? Were you opening the door? Will you been opening the door? Have you opened the door? Had you opened the door? Will you have opened the door? Have you been opened the door?
Opening.
Had you opening the door? Had you been opening the door? Will you have been opening the door?
Very good job. Got it. Now we are going to work on prepositions for next 10 minutes. We'll be working on prepositions. All right. Can you see the chart?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll be working on this chart. So prepositions. We are working on prepositions. All right. So about prepositions, once again we are going to have a bit revision of this about prepositions. Okay. Rohit, answer me. Rohit, answer me about this preposition. Okay.
Yes.
Did
yes.
you study about elephants?
Yes, I study about elephant.
Did you try to recognize the tense? Yes, I studied.
Yes, I study about the elephant.
Okay.
No, I
Did you
did not.
study about elephants?
Yes, I study about elephant. No, I did not study about elephant.
Okay. Did you talk about students?
Yes, I talk about student. No, I do not talk about student.
Are you learning about animals?
Yes, I learning about animals. No, I do not learning about animals.
Are you learning about animals? Yes, I
Yes.
am. Present
Yes,
continuous.
yes, I learning about
I am.
animals. Yes, I am learning about animals. No, I am not learning about animals.
Are you talking about importance of infrastructure?
Yes, I am talking about infrastructure. No, I am not talking about infrastructure.
Are you thinking about teachers?
Yes, I am thinking about teacher. No, I did not thinking about teacher.
Are you thinking about teachers? There is no did. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you thinking about
Yes.
teachers?
No, I am not thinking about teacher.
Okay. Are you watching about development projects?
Yes, I am watching about development project. No, I am not did not watching about development project.
Not watching. I am not. That is.
I
Not
am not. Yes, I am not watching
Did
about.
comes only in simple past tense.
Yes, I am not
Not
watching.
everywhere. Okay. Are you aware about his behavior?
Yes. Are you?
I
Yes,
am.
I am. Yes, I am.
Aware about
Yes, I am aware about
his behavior.
Yes, his behavior. Yes, I am aware about his behavior.
You can see that later there. Are you aware about his behavior?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am about his behavior.
I am aware.
Yes, I am aware about his behavior.
म्हणजे तुम्ही त्याच्या बिहेवियर विषयी तुम्हाला माहित आहे का? Are you aware about his behavior?
Yes, I am about aware his behavior.
I am aware about his behavior.
Yes, I am aware about his behavior.
Wait. Are you aware? Yes, I am aware. No, I am not aware. आता ह्या aware ला फक्त about his behavior जोडतोय आपण. Are you aware about his behavior? Yes, I am aware about his behavior. No, I am not aware about his behavior. Simple. काय करायचे? जर घाई कधी करायची? जर आपण कॉन्फिडंट असेल की मी करेक्ट आहे त्यावेळी घाई करायची. परंतु जर आपण कॉन्फिडंट नाही की करेक्ट नाही तर घाई करू नका. तुम्ही शांतपणे बोला आणि समजून बोला. कळलं का नाही? ज्यावेळी आपल्याला माहित आहे की मी रॉंग आहे त्यावेळी शांतपणे बोला. त्यावेळी स्लो स्पीड मध्ये बोला. आणि ज्यावेळी आपल्याला माहित आहे की नाही मी करेक्ट आहे त्यावेळी फ्लुएंट बोला, फास्ट बोला, नॉन स्टॉप बोला. तुम्हाला कोणी थांबवणार नाही. ऑलराइट रोहित?
Yes.
Are you aware about his behavior?
Yes, I am aware about his behavior.
Correct. Do you like, simple present tense, do you know about her result?
Yes, I know about her result.
Okay.
I know about.
Do you know about her result?
Yes, I know about her result. No, I not about her result. I not about her result.
I do not know.
I do not. Yes, I do not about her result.
I do not know about her result. Okay. Are you searching websites about scholarship?
Yes, I am searching about websites. No, I am not searching about websites.
One second. Are you searching websites?
Yes,
I am scholarship.
Yes, I am searching website about scholarship. No, I am not searching about website. No, I am not searching a website about scholarship.
Correct. Are you searching websites about animals?
Yes, I am searching website about animals. No, I am not searching website about animals.
Are you reading books about scholarship?
Yes, I am reading books about college. Yes, I am not reading books about the college.
Very good. Aman, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now approximately. About is used for approximately. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you are confident, then answer it fluently. But if you are not confident, then answer it slowly.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is your brother about 5 feet 5 inch?
Yes, my brother is about 5 feet 5 inch. No, my brother is not about 5 feet 5 inch.
Is your hometown about 10 kilometers away from here?
Yes, my hometown is about 10 kilometers away from here. No, my hometown is not 10 kilometers away from here.
Is that place 5 feet long?
Yes, that place is 5 feet long.
Okay.
No, that place is not 5 feet long.
Are there about 10 pages in the notebook?
Yes, there are 10 pages in the notebook. No, there are not 10 pages in the notebook.
Are there about word is important for approximately. Are
Yes,
there
sir.
about 10 pages in the notebook?
No, there are not about 10 pages
In the notebook?
in the notebook. Yes, no, there are
Wow.
about 10 pages in the notebook.
Okay. Are you studying about 6 hours every day?
Yes, I am studying about 6 hours every day. No, I am not studying about 6 hours every day.
Okay. Did you take a test about 2 days?
Yes, I took a test about 2 days.
Okay. Did the farmer cut about 5 trees?
Yes, the farmer cut about 5 trees. No, the farmer did not cut about 5 trees.
Okay. Did the conductor give the passes to about 100 passengers?
Yes, the passenger gave the passes. The conductor gave the passes to about 100 passengers. No, the conductor did not give the passes to about 100 passengers.
Are there 5 lakh people in Pune Municipal Corporation?
Yeah, yes, there are 5 lakh people.
There are about. It means you are not sure approximately.
There are about 5 lakh people in Municipal Corporation of Pune. No, there are not about 5 lakh people in Municipal Corporation in Pune.
Okay. Did you get about 80% in the last exam?
Yes, sir, can you repeat?
Did you get about 80% in last exam?
Yes, I got it about 80% in last exam. No, I did not got it about 80%.
I did not got or get.
I did not. Sir, आपने did बोला ना?
Oh, सही है. तो did आएगा तो first form आएगा ना?
Okay, sir.
Yes, I got about 20% in exam. That is correct. But no, I did not get आएगा ना? Okay, answer
sir.
me again. Did you get about 80% in the last exam?
Yes, I get.
Yes, I got.
Yes, I get.
Yes, I got.
Yes, I got 80 about. Yes, I got it about 80% of marks in last exam. No, I
Did not.
Did not get about 80% in last exam.
Got it. In this way, we just talked about 2 prepositions today. Tomorrow also we are going to talk about other prepositions. Now we are just going to have
लेकिन मैंने screenshot नहीं लिया sir.
Confidence building activities. Okay. Now we are going to, tomorrow you can take the screenshot.
Okay,
now we are going to have a bit confidence building activities. Now you are going to talk to me, but don't worry about mistakes. Make the mistakes. Don't worry. But I will correct your mistakes and just grow your confidence. All right. Rohit is going to talk to me now. Okay. Start, Rohit.
I'll take a screenshot, sir.
Okay. Fine. No problem.
Sir, can I talk to?
No. Yeah. Anything you can talk to me, Rohit. Anything as you wish.
In which related?
Anything as you wish. Okay. Do you read the newspapers?
Do you read
5 questions. You are asking me only about 5 questions. Do you read the newspapers?
Do you read the newspapers?
Yes, I read the newspapers. When?
When do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspapers in the morning. Why?
Why do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspapers to get the knowledge. From where?
From where to get the newspaper?
I get the newspaper from the news agents. At what time do you read the news?
At what time do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper at 6 o'clock in the morning. How do you?
How do you get the newspaper?
I get the newspaper by the news agent. Thank you very much. Very good. Good job. Good job.
How many price? How
Sir,
many
a
price?
month?
How much did
How
you
much
pay
price?
for the newspaper? How much do
Yes,
you pay for?
How much do you pay for the newspaper?
I pay 2 rupees for the newspaper. Very good. Good job.
Oh.
Any
Sir,
other
a
questions
month?
about newspaper? Wait a minute, Aman. Okay, fine. Now, Aradhna ji, ask me the questions. Do you go to the trip?
Okay. Do you go to the trip?
Yes, I go to the trip. When?
When do you go to the trip?
I go to the trip on Saturday, Sunday. With whom?
With whom do you go to the trip?
I go to the trip with my family members. How?
Why? How do you go to the trip?
I go to the trip by my car. Why?
Why do you go to the trip?
I go to the trip by. I go to the trip for fun. Any your questions?
Okay.
Okay, fine.
What time?
At what time?
At what time do you go to the trip?
I go to the trip early in the morning. Very good. Good job. In this way, you are asking every day me some questions. So it will grow your confidence. Yeah, Aman, now you ask me the questions.
Oh, sir.
Do you watch movies?
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies. When?
When do you watch movies?
I watch movies at night. Why?
Why do you watch movies?
I watch movies for entertainment. Which channels?
On which channels do you watch movies?
I watch movies on Setmax. Which movies?
Which movies do you watch?
I watch romantic movies. Yeah, you can ask me your questions.
And what is your time in which you see movie?
I watch movies at after 10 o'clock at night.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Good job. Yeah, Swati ji. Do you cook food?
Do you cook food?
Yes, I cook food. When?
When do you cook food?
I cook food early in the morning.
How do you cook food?
I cook food on my own. Which food?
Which food do you cook?
I cook vegetarian food. What do you cook for snacks? What do you cook for breakfast?
What do you cook food?
What do you cook for breakfast? Breakfast तुम्ही काय बनवता in this way?
What do you cook breakfast?
What do you
What do you
cook for the breakfast?
What do you cook for the breakfast?
आता ब्रेकफास्ट ऐवजी लंच डिनर असं चेंज करायचंय. विचारा.
What do you cook for lunch? What do you cook for dinner?
Okay, with and take dinner, take lunch. Yeah. With whom do you?
With whom do you take lunch?
I take lunch with my family. Same with dinner. Yeah. Same प्रश्न with dinner.
With whom
do you
dinner?
Take dinner.
Take dinner.
नाही करायचं फक्त लंच ऐवजी डिनर. आता लंच डिनरच्या ऐवजी ब्रेकफास्ट घ्या.
With whom take breakfast?
प्रत्येक वेळी का चेंज करायचं मॅडम?
Okay. For
with whom do you? इम्पॉर्टंट आहे डू यू. कारण का डू नसेल तर कळणारच नाही आपल्याला.
With whom do
कोणत्या टाइम आहे टाइम कोणता आहे कळणारच नाही ना. With whom do you take dinner? मग ते डिनरच्या ऐवजी ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, स्नॅक्स असं वाढवायचं आहे फक्त.
With whom do you breakfast?
आता टेक राहिलं.
With with whom do you take breakfast?
I take breakfast with my family members.
With whom do you take lunch?
I take lunch with my family, with my office colleagues.
With whom do you take dinner?
I take dinner with my friends. Very good. Good job. Okay, nice. Next, Vinayak ji, do you pray to God?
Do you pray to God?
Yes, I pray to God. When?
When do you pray to God?
I pray to God early in the morning. Why?
Why you pray to God?
Why?
Do you pray to God?
I pray to God for peace of my mind. Okay, where?
Where you pray to God?
Do ला विसरू नका. गंगा do, did, will, are you, were you, तो त्याला विसरायचंच नाही. गंगा that is the indicators, you know.
Yes, sir. Where do you pray to God?
I pray to God in the temple. Why? Okay, with whom?
With whom you pray to? Do you pray to God?
I pray to God with my family members. At which temple?
At which temple you pray to God? Do you pray to God?
Correct. I pray to at which temple you pray to God मध्ये आपल्याला कळणारच नाही की टेन्स कोणता आहे. टेन्स म्हणजे वेळ कोणती आहे. टेन्स म्हणजे टेन्स नसतं. टेन्स म्हणजे वेळ कळत असते आपल्याला. आहे, होते, नसेन ही वेळ आहेत ना. प्रेझेंट वेळ, पास्ट वेळ, फ्युचर वेळ हे कळत असतं डू मधनं. डू मधनं प्रेझेंट वेळ कळते, डीड मधनं पास्ट वेळ कळते, विल मधनं फ्युचर वेळ कळते. ऍट विच टेम्पल डू यू? हा बोला.
At which temple do you pray to God?
I pray to God in Jain temple.
With whom do you pray to God?
I pray to God with my family members. Do you believe in God? विचारा. Simple विचारा.
Do you believe in God?
असं सिंपल बोलायला शिका सर्वांनी. भरपूर बोलण्यासारखं आहे, परंतु आपण काय जातो अवघडात शिरतो. त्यामुळे मग फसतो आपण. डू यू बिलीव्ह इन गॉड? बोला.
Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe in God. Why?
Why do you believe in God?
I believe in God because the God brings us peace.
How do
you take care of the
how
God?
do you take
how do you take care of the God?
How do you take care of the God?
I just follow the way which is shown by the God. Okay, very good job. Now, Ronak.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you play cricket?
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket. When?
When do you play cricket?
I play cricket early in the morning. Where?
Where do you play cricket?
I play cricket on the ground. आता तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारा तुमचे. चला. Play cricket विचार.
Why do you play cricket?
I play cricket for fitness. Verb change करा. कधीतरी verb पण change करा.
How many fielders do you
arrange in the match?
Arrange in the field?
I arrange around 6 fielders in the match.
When do you take lunch time?
I take lunch time at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. How many hours?
How many hours do you play cricket?
I play cricket for 5 hours. Okay, very good. Nice. Yeah, Nachiket.
Which subject?
You can take your subject. Otherwise, I will give you subject.
Do you watch movie?
Yes, I watch movies.
Which movie is your favorite? Which movie is your favorite?
My favorite movie is Hangama.
Okay, and which movies you have watched more? Means Hollywood or Bollywood?
टेन्स आहे का कोणता? एक तर डू यू, डिड यू, विल यू, आर यू, वर यू, विल यू बी, हॅव यू येणार.
Which type of movie you have watched more?
You have नाही येणार ना, have you येणार.
Which type of movie have you watched more?
करेक्ट. का आलं ना कुठं काय चुकतंय आपलं? I have watched comedy movies more.
Okay, and in 1 month, how many times do you go to theater
Correct.
to
Very
watch
good.
movie.
Very good. Very good. I go to the theater. I go to the theater twice a month.
Okay. And do you go to theater with your family or your own?
I go to the theater with my family members.
Okay. And when do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. Very good. Good job. Good job.
Okay.
Yeah. Avedna.
Okay.
Ask your subject. Otherwise, I'll give you the subject.
Sir, तुम्ही सांग.
Okay. Do you attend the parties?
Do you attend the parties?
Yes, I attend the parties. When, where,
When-
why, how
when-
many, how much?
when-
विचारायचे सर्व questions त्याला.
When
When
do you go to when do you go to attend the parties?
I go to attend the parties on every Sunday. Where?
Where go to the parties?
Do विसरू नका. Did you, will you, are you, were you, will you be? लक्षात ठेवा. Where do you go to attend
Where
the
do
parties?
you go to where do you go to attend the parties?
I go to my friend's house to attend the parties. Very good. Why?
With whom? Why do you go to attend the parties?
I go to attend the parties for relaxation.
Okay. With whom do you go to the parties?
I go
Attend
to
the parties?
I go to the parties with my friends. Very good.
At
Nice,
what,
nice. Good job. Good job.
what-
Good job.
what time? कोणत्या टायमिंगला विचारायचं असेल?
At what time?
At what time do you attend the parties?
I attend the parties in the evening. Very good. Good job. Ganesh Pawar.
And how
Correct. Last question, Avedna.
how do you attend the parties?
I attend the parties. Happily. Okay. And I go to the parties by my car. All right. Yeah. Next, Ganesh.
Yes, sir. Do you study?
Yes, I study. Very good question. When?
Nice, sir. Which subject do you study?
I study English. Good job.
I study. Why do you study?
I study English to teach my students.
How subject do you study?
How many subjects?
How many subject do you study?
I study around 5 subjects.
त्यानंतर सर याला काय म्हणतात की तुमचं फेवरेट हे कोणतं आहे ना सब्जेक्ट?
What is your favorite subject? Simple.
What is your favorite subject? Do you study?
My favorite subject is conversational English.
Do you study timing?
Yes, I study timings.
नाही तसं नाही विचारायचं म्हणजे तुम्ही किती वेळ अभ्यास करता?
For how many hours do you study?
How many hours do you study?
I study 3 hours every day.
How many lecture do you study?
How many
lectures do you study? म्हणजे तुम्ही लेक्चर किती वेळ म्हणजे तुम्ही लेक्चर किती वेळ घेता?
At what, for how much time do you take the lecture?
How much time do you take the lecture?
I take the lecture for 10 hours every day.
Every day का? ठीक आहे sir.
Okay, good job Ganesh. फारच छान. Okay, in this way we talked about a lot of topics today. Every day I am going to take this. Every day I am going to take this activity. Every day I am going to take this activity. All right. Got it, everybody? Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?